जो व्यंजन दो व्यंजनों के मिलने से बनते हैं उन्हें संयुक्त व्यंजन कहा जाता है। Two consonants combined together is called संयुक्त व्यंजन. They can be same or different consonants. When two consonants are combined or put together, we call them as clusters. The consonant can be same or different. Example, the first example, we have a same consonant with m. M plus m, mum. Second, also the same consonant with n. N plus n, nun. S plus th, sast. Th plus th, tat. In Sanyukat Vyanjan, the first consonant should be written as half. The letter will be written only the half. We'll write the letter half. And the second letter will be written as usual, the full. And when in pronunciation, the first letter should be pronounced half. If you see the third example, sa plus the sast, we'll not say sa the sat, we'll say sast, the sast. The first letter is pronounced half. Example, we have the word active. Active means chust. We say chu the chust. We will not say chu sa the chusat. The sa should be pronounced half. So chu the chust. Other example, stone. Stone we'll say pattar. Pattar. We'll not say pattar. We'll say pattar. So pattar. So Sanyukat Vyanjan means when two consonants are put together, they form Sanyukat Vyanjan. The first letter should be written as half and pronounced half. It will not be pronounced fully. Udharan. Udharan means example. The first word, alert. Alert means chokkanni. Chokkanni. Second word, sugarcane. Ganna. Third word, push. Dakka. Push. If you see, the first, second and the third word have the same consonants. Fourth word, flower bed. Kayari. Fifth word, thank you. Dhanyavad. Sixth word, monkey. Bandar. Fourth, fifth and sixth word have a different consonants. Seventh word, acha. Acha. Good. Different consonant. Eighth word, anand. Anand. Happiness. Same consonant. Ninth word, cat. Billy. Again we have a same consonant. 10th word, fly. Makki. We have different consonants. Okay, Sanyukat Vyanjan means we can have same consonant or different consonants. When we combine or we put together the words, it is called Sanyukat Vyanjan. The first letter is pronounced half. We'll pronounce only the half. Will not pronounce fully. And even we'll write only the half letter. Exercise. संयुक्त व्यंजनों का प्रयोग समझो और दिए गए शब्दों से खाली स्थान भरो. Identify the given cluster or संयुक्त व्यंजन and write in the given tabulation. We have 3 tabulation with the same and a different consonant. The first and the second consonant tabulation have a same consonant with m and n. Third tabulation have a different consonant with s and the. First word, they are given few words. The first word is pustak. It is written in the third tabulation. Pustak means book. pustak, book. Second word, ganna. Ganna is written in the second tabulation. G-N-Na, ganna, sugarcane. Chammach is written in the first tabulation. Ch-M-M-Ch, chammach, spoon. An, A-N-N, an. An is written in the second tabulation. Food. Mastak, M-S-T-K, mastak, which means head. It is written in the third tabulation. Himmat, himmat. Himmat means courage, is written in first tabulation. Chust, chust, active, written in the third tabulation. Samman, S-M-M-N, samman, respect, written in the first tabulation. Prasan, Prasanna, prasan. Prasan is written in the second tabulation, which means glad. Okay, Sanyukat Vyanjan means Vyanjan or consonants that are combined or put together. They are called Sanyukat Vyanjan. It can be of same or different consonants. The first consonant should be written and pronounced half. Now we'll see the few words on R, Chotiru and Badiru. R is the only consonant that doesn't have a standing line. It stands on its own. Example, Rat, Rat, chariot. Rakt, blood. Rub, God. Ras, juice. Now we'll see the word with Chotiru. R plus U, R plus Choti U is Ru. And R plus Badi U is Ru. The difference between Choti Ru and Badi Ru is only the sound. Choti Ru is only said as Ru. Badi Ru is Ru. It is prolonged. The sound is prolonged. It is Ru. So the example for Choti Ru is first word Rukna. Rukna, to stop. Second word Ruchi. Ruchi, interest. Third word Rui. Rui, cotton. Fourth word Rutna, to get angry. Fifth word Rulana, to make others cry. Now we see the words for Badiru. Ru. It is said it's pronounced as Ru. First word Rumal. Rumal, handkerchief. Rupa. Ru, spirit. Rus, Russia. Ruwa. Okay. The difference between Badiru and Chotiru is only the sound. Now, in other consonants like k, k, g, g, ch, ch, j, t, t, d, p, p, f, m, everywhere we'll write the matra of Choti U and Badi U down. We'll place the matras of Choti U and Badi U down. But only for R, the matras of Choti U and Badi U should be written as side. So it is written in side, not below. Okay. Now we'll see some thing. R, Choti Ru, Badi Ru का अंतर समझो और इनसे शुरू होने वाले दो शब्द लिखो. Identify the difference between and write the letters that starts with the r, ru, ru. Okay, the first tabulation with r. First word rachna, 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 formation. Second word rath, rath, chariot. Third rakt, rakt, blood. Second tabulation with choti ru, ru, rupya, rupaya, rupaya, rupee. Ruchi, ruchi, interest. Rukna, rukna, to stop. Third tabulation with badiru, ru. First word roop, 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 form. Second word rupa. Third word rumal, handkerchief. Okay, the difference between badiru and chotiru is only the sound. In badiru we'll say ru, but chotiru is